What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Spicy and Chocolate. I'm back at it with another video review, and today we're gonna watch a man singing his butt off. He supposedly sound like Michael Jackson, but I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Do he sound like Michael? Cause you know, big people we know how to sing good. No shade though.
Two, one. Hey, pretty baby with the high heels on. You give me fever like I've
Okay.
never ever known. You're just a product of my loveliness. I like the groove of your walk, your talk, your dress.
Okay.
I feel your fever from miles around. I'll pick you up in my car.
What I tell y'all, big people know how to sing and cook, but yeah, he know how to sing.
We'll bet the town. Just give me, baby, and tell me twice that you're the one for me. The way you're making me
The
feel,
way you make me
you
feel.
feel it turning me on. You knock me off of my feet now, baby.
Okay.
My lonely days are gone.
I like that. I like that part.
So, ooh.
I guess that's his TikTok name, y'all. It's right there on the screen, so y'all can go to his shit. Y'all probably can blow his shit up. But yeah, he did good. He sound like Michael Jackson. He sound real good. Okay, okay. Okay. But alright, y'all be back at it with another video review. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my motherfucking channel. Before we post up, subscribe to my motherfucking channel. But alright, bye y'all. Bye.